In this video, I'll show you how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to go to the Insert tab, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see the option for horizontal line. Clicking this will insert a simple, thin black horizontal line into your document. If you'd like something more customizable, here's how to do it. Go to the Format tab, choose Paragraph Styles, then select Borders and Shading. Click on it to open the settings. Once you're in Borders and Shading, you'll see all the available options. I want my horizontal line to appear directly below the text, so I'll click this option here. You can adjust the line width, choose between solid or dashed styles, and even change the color if you'd like. Once you've customized your line, click Apply, and your line will appear right on the page. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.